my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, so if you're visiting and you're new here, welcome. My name is Diva Decorating, and on this channel, I share my DIYs, room tours, shopping hauls, tablescapes, and glam decor with you to give you ideas and inspiration for your home or your living space. So while you're here, why don't you tap the subscribe button and tap that notification bell icon twice to be notified when I upload new content, so you can become a part of the Diva Decorating family. For my returning family, I am so glad to have you back. As you know, today is the day for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway announcement. Yay! Yes, we are going to do this today. Now, if you didn't know, the giveaway started January 22nd and it ended yesterday, February 5th at 12 a.m. So I am announcing the winners today. Okay? Now, the first prize is a $30 gift card, which I have right here. Let me get it up. And it is three $10 gift cards in here. And it is from Amazon, so you can go spend this at Amazon. That's the only way I can find it, guys. So that's what first prize is going to be. The second prize is going to be a $20 gift card, okay, a gift just for you. And last but not least, the third prize is going to be this beautiful DIY flower rose box. Some people call them Instagram boxes. I call it a rose box, so that's what it is, okay? Now, let's get to it, okay? I'm so excited. Oh, okay, now we got the handy dandy container. Y'all know I use this with all my giveaways, okay? And all the names are in here, and I'm going to shake them up real good. Shake, 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 rattle and roll, shake, 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 shake. Okay, that's enough shaking. Let's get the name out of here for the first prize. First one I picked up, guys. And it is going to be, it's upside down, Jenna Heaven 123. So Jenna Heaven 123, you win the first prize, which is the $30 gift card. Congratulations, Jenna Heaven. Yay! Okay. I think I'm going to shake it up again, so nobody don't feel I didn't shake it up real good. Okay. Second prize, $20 gift card. And it is Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Yay, Stephanie! Congratulations, dear. Congratulations. You win a $20 gift card, okay? And I'm going to put all of these to the side so I know who was first, who was second. Okay, put the top back on for the third one. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake. And I will pull the last one, whatever one I grab. It is Simply Elegant Living with Edwina. Simple Elegant Living with Edwina. You win the beautiful DIY rose box, okay? So congratulations, Edwina. I thank everybody who participated. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I love you to the moon and back. Thank you so much. And to all the ones that won, please, please get my email. I will leave it down below. Make sure you get in touch with me with all your info, address, mailing info, so I can mail you out your prizes. I probably won't start mailing them out until Friday, tomorrow, okay? So please get in touch with me and give me your mailing address. Now, if no one contacts me within 48 hours, I will have to choose another winner, okay? So please make sure you contact me, guys, okay? Congratulations again. This is Diva Decorating, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye, my loves.